This topic will introduce you to the steps to take to prepare the dealer and the customer's environment for a UGW2 installation. At the conclusion of this topic, you'll have a good understanding of the following. This is an overview of the workflow and participants in a UGW2 installation. We'll explore all these components in the course. Let's start by accessing the UGW2 site and logging in to the cloud platform. In UGW2, all work begins from the Service Top button. This is different than previous UGW versions. This is the UGW2 portal. All activities take place from the 4 tabs shown at the top. Note that these were called menus in the previous version. Click each tab to see its main menu contents. You've logged into UGW2 and clicked Service Top. Now we'll register a dealer in UGW2. Click the System Administration tab to begin. Click the Company menu. This platform uses levels on which you build the company architecture. There are 7 levels available. First, navigate to the level and company that will serve as the parent of the new company. Canon USA on Level 2 will be the parent of the entire dealer structure on Level 3. FYI, Canon USA will build your dealer for you on Level 3 once you complete this training. You can build your own sub-company structure on Level 4 and below. Enter the company's basic information here. Note that the system generates the tenant ID automatically, and it cannot be changed. In this section, select which services to enable, then save the company's information. When registering the company, the options are Register Direct and/or Register Indirect. Here's some info about direct and indirect registrations. You can now register system users in the new dealer or sales organization. Click the System User Management menu. Select the company in which the user will be registered. Click New and complete the user's information. You can notify the user of their completed registration by email or direct contact, which is described here. We'll see both of these methods in action later in the course. In the previous page, you saw just how many access rights can be assigned to users in UGW2. If there are many users to configure, setting up each one individually would be very time-consuming and prone to configuration errors. On this page, we'll look at function templates, which enable you to configure and save a set of access rights and then apply the template to all users who need the same access capabilities, so many users can be set up and configured quickly and accurately. Here's how to apply a function template to new user accounts. Note that only one function template at a time can be applied to any user account. Once the template is applied, you can further customize the settings for the particular user as necessary. And here's how to edit an existing user account and apply a function template to it. With the dealer company registered, you can now configure customer companies that belong to it. A customer can belong to the parent dealer company or a subordinate company. To install the device, set up the network communications, then run the communications test by following the instructions on this page. This topic reviewed the steps to register a company in UGW2, register users to the company, and create and apply a function template to user accounts. We also covered the entire process to register customers to a dealer or company and how to register the customer's devices. You've completed the configuration work.